That's not good. Yeah, don't crash my bike.
I'll try not to.
Yeah, try not to. Of course. I've not ridden one of these beasts before either. So you said this does wheelies really well, right? This thing is like way more upright sitting. I'm sure that Jacksonville trip was just horrible for you. It's way more like forward than your bike, isn't it? I mean, it's like that because, you know, I race for Team Suzuki, so. This is a loud ass bike. We get it, dude. You vape.
Oh man, dude, I'll get so much stuff with this thing.
Nice. Nice jigsaw, bro. Drop it down. Put some chrome on it. Oh, that? I wouldn't do that. Oh! We can take like a we can take some back. Oh, you know what? Let's go. Well, it's too late now. We'll take a right on 9th Street. We'll go through downtown St. Pete, and then we'll come up some weird way back to 4th Street, and then we'll go to Tampa. We'll just switch back after downtown St. Pete or whatever. That bike is clean. Shit. It's no wonder people hate Jigsers so much. Those things are fucking sick looking. Damn. Pug life. I went to this McDonald's right here for my lunch today. Chill. Keeping it fat. Oh, they're fighting. Fight! Fuck your mama! Fuck your mama! Ooh, she hit him! She hit him! I love it. Trying to kill us.
I think you thought I was trying to fucking go around.